Okay, so as I echo Marty Emerald's stepping on toes, I'm going to be talking about a very touchy situation regarding the number of outcomes of use of force and officer-involved shootings that reflect the quarterly report that Mark Jones was talking about. So this is April, May, June 2014. As Mark was saying, out of 167 incidents, there were only 23% of them reviewed by the CRB. Significantly higher, 90 cases are unfounded. They are put into different categories: use of force, officer-involved police shooting, slur, service, arrest, courtesy, conduct, criminal conduct, and discrimination. I just want to highlight two categories, and that's the use of force. 14 cases were unfounded, 10 of them were exonerated, and 4 of them not sustained. Now, this is a use of force. Officer-involved shootings. I mean, it's devastating. The officer-involved shootings, it shows only 6 cases were reviewed, and all 6 cases were within policy. So my question is, for individuals, community members, and the San Diego Police Department present, when is it policy for them to use that excessive force when they have other means to restraint, other means that they're trained for non-lethal approaches to use of force? As I hold this card up, now Mark mentioned this individual's name. His name is Victor Ortega. In June 2012, he was murdered, as Mark was saying, cuffed. He was on his stomach. And when the widow filed a complaint, the DA, as well as all the other avenues that she took, said it was justified. Recently, a judge ruled that there were inconsistencies in the case in the DA's information, as well as the cops. This is the reason why we need something independent with subpoena power that is away from the San Diego Police Department. They cannot investigate themselves. On these yellow cards, there are 125 victims murdered by San Diego Police Department, which could have been prevented. They could have been here today. They could have voiced their concerns. They could have had lives. They could have had families. These were family members. And if there's other avenues that the police can take to do their community policing without taking a life, that's the most important. SD stolen lives.
Thank you very much. Valerie Sanfilippo.
Oh no,